Prepare yourselves for a tale shrouded in mystique and brimming with intrigue. As the curtains rise, we delve into a saga spanning over 2.5 decades, the enigmatic resurgence of California's forgotten treasure, Tulare Lake. Once a majestic expanse, its waters caressed the horizon, making it the largest freshwater lake west of the mighty Mississippi. Yet it vanished, leaving behind a void that echoed with whispers of its lost grandeur. But now, behold the astonishing revelation. Against all odds, Tulare Lake has returned from the depths of obscurity. Its revival, a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's resilience, has captivated hearts and minds. In this gripping chapter, we shall embark on an extraordinary journey, tracing the footsteps of its history. What unseen forces have orchestrated the miraculous return of Tulare Lake after its prolonged absence, defying all logical explanations? Today, we'll unearthing the profound significance it once held, and unraveling the secrets behind its majestic resurgence. Join us, intrepid explorers of the unknown, as we unravel the mystic tapestry woven by Tulare Lake. Together, we shall unlock the hidden depths of its past, marvel at its reawakening, and immerse ourselves in the profound mysteries that lie beneath its shimmering surface. Prepare to be enchanted, for the tale of Tulare Lake shall leave you spellbound, embracing the profound beauty of nature's enigmatic dance. Tulare Lake, located in the heart of California's San Joaquin Valley, has a rich history deeply intertwined with the region's agricultural heritage. However, due to a variety of factors such as droughts and excessive water diversions, the lake had virtually disappeared. But now, thanks to conservation efforts and increased rainfall, Tulare Lake has re-emerged, bringing hope and restoration to the local ecosystem and communities. Upcoming, we will delve into the fascinating journey of Tulare Lake, starting with its historical significance and the impact of its absence. We will then explore the remarkable revival of this natural wonder, along with its environmental and socioeconomic implications. Lastly, we will discuss the future prospects of Tulare Lake and the lessons we can learn from this incredible comeback. So, are you ready to witness the rebirth of the Lake Tulare? So without any further ado, let's get started. Number 1. The history of Tulare Lake. To understand the significance of Tulare Lake's return, we must delve into its history. Originally spanning over 500 square miles, this majestic lake was a vital resource for indigenous communities, providing sustenance, transportation, and cultural significance. The Native American tribes revered the lake as a sacred place, and its abundance of fish and wildlife sustained their way of life for generations. However, the arrival of settlers and subsequent water diversions led to the gradual decline of the lake. As agriculture boomed in the region, water was redirected for irrigation purposes, draining the once thriving Tulare Lake. The lush wetlands that surrounded the lake slowly dried up, and the water levels receded, leaving behind fertile land that attracted farmers. By the late 19th century, Tulare Lake had significantly diminished in size. The fertile land left behind by the receding lakebed became prime agricultural real estate, attracting farmers and transforming the region into the agricultural powerhouse it is today. Unfortunately, this transformation came at the cost of the lake as irrigation projects further drained its waters. Over time, the lake that had once been a symbol of abundance and vitality became a mere memory lost to the passage of time. The absence of Tulare Lake not only affected the environment, but also had profound socioeconomic implications for the communities that relied on its resources. However, a remarkable turn of events has brought hope for the lake's revival. Number 2. The impact of Tulare Lake's absence. The absence of Tulare Lake had far-reaching consequences for both the environment and the communities that depended on it. The loss of the lake's water significantly disrupted the delicate balance of the local ecosystem. Wetlands dried up, migratory bird populations dwindled, and the decline in water availability exacerbated the region's already fragile ecological state. Moreover, the disappearance of Tulare Lake had severe socioeconomic impacts. The local communities, including farmers, fishermen, and indigenous groups, faced hardships as their traditional way of life was disrupted. The economic consequences were substantial, with job losses and economic instability plaguing the region. The absence of Tulare Lake also had a cascading effect on the larger ecosystem. The declining water levels disrupted the natural habitats of various plant and animal species, leading to a loss of biodiversity. The disappearance of the lake disrupted the intricate web of life that relied on its resources, affecting not only wildlife but also the overall ecological balance of the region. Furthermore, the absence of Tulare Lake had cultural and historical implications. The lake held immense cultural significance for indigenous communities, serving as a place of spiritual connection and traditional practices. The loss of the lake deeply impacted the cultural fabric of the region, severing the ties between the local communities and their ancestral heritage. Number 3. The revival of Tulare Lake. Now let's turn our attention to the exciting revival of Tulare Lake. In recent years, California has experienced an increase in precipitation, bringing much-needed relief to the drought-stricken state. The combined efforts of conservationists, farmers, and policymakers have also played a crucial role in reviving the lake. As water management practices have improved and water diversions have been regulated, Tulare Lake has seen a gradual resurgence. Rainwater runoff from the Sierra Nevada mountains and controlled releases from reservoirs have contributed to the lake's refilling. This revitalization has brought renewed hope to the region, signaling a positive turn for both the environment and local communities. The revival of Tulare Lake has been a collaborative effort with various stakeholders recognizing the importance of restoring this natural treasure. Conservation organizations, government agencies, and local communities have worked hand in hand to promote sustainable water practices, ensuring that the lake continues to thrive for generations to come. The return of Tulare Lake is a testament to the resilience of nature and the power of collective action. It serves as a shining example of what can be achieved when we prioritize environmental conservation and work towards restoring ecosystems that have been damaged or lost. Number 4. Environmental and ecological benefits. The return of Tulare Lake is not only a cause for celebration, but also brings numerous environmental and ecological benefits. The replenished lake has rejuvenated the surrounding wetlands, which are critical habitats for a wide variety of bird species, including migratory birds. This resurgence offers a sanctuary for these birds during their long journeys, aiding in their conservation. Additionally, the revival of Tulare Lake contributes to the overall health of the local ecosystem. The lake's presence helps maintain the balance of water resources in the region, supporting groundwater recharge and reducing the risk of land subsidence. It also promotes the growth of aquatic plants, providing habitat and food sources for fish and other aquatic species. The rejuvenated wetlands and increased water availability have a positive ripple effect on the surrounding flora and fauna. Native plant species thrive in these restored habitats, providing shelter and food for a diverse array of animals, including amphibians, reptiles, and small mammals. The interconnectedness of the ecosystem is being re-established, fostering biodiversity and ecological resilience. Furthermore, the return of Tulare Lake has the potential to mitigate the effects of climate change. Wetlands act as natural carbon sinks, helping to sequester greenhouse gases and reduce their impact on the environment. The revival of these wetlands around Tulare Lake contributes to the region's overall carbon balance and supports climate change adaptation efforts. Number 5. Socioeconomic impact and community response. The return of Tulare Lake has had a profound socioeconomic impact on the communities that surround it. Farmers and agricultural workers who rely on water for irrigation now have increased access to water resources, improving crop yields and economic stability. The revival of the lake has also boosted tourism, attracting visitors who are eager to witness the rebirth of this natural wonder. Local communities have responded to the resurgence of Tulare Lake with a mix of excitement and cautious optimism as they recognize the profound significance of the lake's return. This development holds immense value not only for their livelihoods, but also for the preservation and revitalization of their cherished cultural heritage. Consequently, dedicated efforts are being made to establish and implement sustainable water management practices that effectively balance the diverse needs of agriculture conservation and the local economy. By carefully navigating the intricate web of competing interests and priorities, these communities are working tirelessly to ensure a harmonious coexistence with the restored Tulare Lake, embracing the immense potential it holds for their collective well-being and long-term prosperity. The revival of Tulare Lake has created new opportunities for recreation and outdoor activities. Fishing, boating, birdwatching, and nature tourism have seen a resurgence attracting both locals and visitors alike. This has not only stimulated the local economy, but also fostered a renewed appreciation for the natural beauty of the region. In addition to economic benefits, the return of Tulare Lake has brought a sense of pride and unity to the communities. It has reconnected them with their historical and cultural roots, allowing for the preservation and celebration of their heritage. The revival of the lake has become a symbol of resilience and hope, inspiring a shared commitment to the sustainable future of the region. Number 6. Looking towards the future. As we look towards the future, the revival of Tulare Lake serves as a powerful reminder of the resilience of nature and the importance of responsible water management. It highlights the need for continued conservation efforts and collaboration between various stakeholders to ensure the long-term sustainability of this invaluable resource. The success story of Tulare Lake offers valuable lessons for other regions facing similar environmental challenges. It emphasizes the significance of water conservation, the restoration of natural habitats, and the preservation of cultural heritage. By learning from this remarkable revival, we can implement sustainable practices and safeguard our natural resources for future generations. Looking ahead, the preservation of the delicate balance that has facilitated Tulare Lake's resurgence and reinstatement on the map remains of utmost importance. Sustaining this delicate equilibrium necessitates a continuous process of monitoring and adaptive management to safeguard the lake's long-term viability. To achieve this goal, it is essential to foster collaborative and cooperative relationships among various stakeholders, including government agencies, conservation organizations, farmers, and local communities. By working together harmoniously, these diverse entities can effectively contribute to the preservation and conservation of the lake's restored ecosystem. Through open communication, shared knowledge, and collective decision-making, they can address challenges and implement sustainable strategies that support the ongoing well-being of the lake, ensuring its survival and thriving for generations to come. Moreover, the revival of Tulare Lake presents an opportunity to foster greater environmental awareness and education. By sharing the story of its comeback, we can inspire individuals to take action in their own lives, promoting water conservation and advocating for sustainable practices. Every small step counts in ensuring the long-term health of our ecosystems and the preservation of natural wonders like Tulare Lake. And that concludes our video on the return of California's Tulare Lake after 26 years. We have witnessed the rich history of the lake, the environmental and socioeconomic impacts of its absence, and the recent revival that has brought renewed hope to the region. Let us celebrate this incredible achievement and continue to work together towards a sustainable future. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories of environmental conservation and restoration. Together, we can make a difference in preserving our natural treasures. Until next time, take care and stay curious.